What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we're going to be making a jack pad and a jack pad pinch weld adapter for our floor jack. If you guys are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I do a lot of these automotive and household DIY projects. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, first let's measure the depth of our jack cup. It's about 3/4 of an inch, and the size is just about the same size as this cup I have, so we'll use that. We'll come over here, and I've got this scrap of 3/4 inch plywood. Now we can take that cup and I'll go ahead and trace it out. Alright, now we'll go ahead and cut that out. Alright, I got it all finished up and sanded. Now it fits in there real nice. It's right above the lip, so now it won't scratch anything when we go to use this. Alright, now let's make that pinch adapter. We're going to start off with another one of these. Made 2 of them. Now we'll come over to the car we're making it for, and here's our pinch weld. And as you can see, if you don't use one of these adapters, you can go ahead and bend and damage these pinch welds on the sides. And we'll go ahead and measure this, and it's about 1/8 of an inch. So we're gonna have to cut a slit in the wood for about a little over 1/8 of an inch. So I've got a scrap of 2x4, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the groove across the strip. If you had a hardwood, that would be even better, but 2x4 will work just fine. We're gonna cut it across the grain of the wood so it'll be stronger, and we're just gonna do about 2 cuts. That should be about 1/8 of an inch. So the whole piece is gonna be about 4.5 inches. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the slit right in the middle at 2.25 inches. We're going to go ahead and set our saw depth to only about 1/2 of an inch. So now we've got that groove cut. Let's go ahead and make sure it fits. Alright, it looks like it's a little small. Let's go ahead and put another cut. Let's try that again. Alright, there it goes. It fits. So it took 3 cuts. Alright, so now we'll take one of those little wood pads we made. We'll take our little block, and it's going to go like that on top of each other. Then we're just going to take some glue and glue them together. Alright, we'll go ahead and clamp this down, let it dry. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put a little coat of paint on it to help protect the wood, make them more visible so I don't accidentally end up throwing them away too. Alright, let's go ahead and try them out. Alright, so here's our pinch weld adapter all finished up. This slips right into the cup. Alright, awesome. Looks like these things are going to work out great. Jacked it up nice. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. I'd really appreciate it. I also made a Patreon page if you want to help support the channel by doing that. Check that out. And thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself and be safe.